inshallah, bidnillah. So keep in mind that at the end, I will give you some homework from past papers, definitely paper 2 and paper 4. So that thing should be done. And whenever you will come to school, I may take a test from those topics which are done here, just to check that either you are coping up or no. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay then. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And thermal physics, again, for those who did not study before, so gentlemen, be very clear. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Be very focused. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay. Bismillah. When we said therm, first lesson here that we will discuss kinetic particle model of matter. Okay. Bismillah. Starting from that, what is meant by matter? Yes. When we say define matter, what do you mean by matter? What do you mean by matter? Anyone? Assalamu alaikum. Yes. Again, same behavior. No one is answering. Anyhow, matter is made up of very tiny particles, gentlemen, which are constantly in motion. They exert strong forces on one another, and these forces are very strong when they are close. Actually, these are the forces which hold the molecules together. Okay, so this is how the matter particles stay together. Now you know that matter is grouped into 3: solid, liquid, and gas. When we talk about solid, different parameters we have to discuss. We will discuss their properties: solid, liquid, gas. So if we talk about their shape, you know that as the molecules of solids are very close to each other, so that's why the shape is fixed. The molecules of liquid are far apart than solids. That's why the shape of the liquid is not fixed. And gas, same thing, shape is not fixed. When we talk about their volume, the volume of the solid is fixed or no?
Fixed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a constant volume. When we talk about liquid, volume of liquid is also constant. It's also fixed. But when we talk about gases, it is not fixed or not constant, right? Next one in the list is how molecules are arranged. So arrangement of molecules. When we talk about the arrangement of molecules, gentlemen, you know that the solids, the molecules are tightly packed, right? In other words, we said they have fixed positions. The molecules of liquid, you know, they are not tightly packed, they are loosely packed. That's why we said they slip over each other, or they are irregular. And when we talk about the gas, the molecules are widely separated. right? So there is also irregular. Note it if you want to note, otherwise I will clear the screen. Let me know once you are done, gentlemen.
Sir, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. After arrangement of molecules, let's talk about movement of molecules. You know, as we already said, molecules of the solids, they are tightly packed, so they vibrate about fixed position. When we talk about the movement of liquids, they slip, slide, and exchange positions. And when we talk about gas, they move around randomly with high speeds. Okay. After this, intermolecular space. Solids tightly packed, so space is very less among the particles. In gases, solid liquids, it's more than solids. And when we talk about gases, it's negligible. And got it?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, not negligible. Sorry, not negligible. It is the most. Particles are very far from each other, so intermolecular space between them is very high. After this, when we talk about intermolecular forces, of attraction. As the solids are very close, so forces are very strong. Liquids, the forces are less than solids. And when we talk about gas, they are negligible, gentlemen. That's why they can move far from each other with high speeds. And it acts only when they collide. Noted? Let me know. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.